Welcome to Design Engineering. Today we are going to see about how to design this object in only using 5 steps. So I have to show you the dimensions for this drawing. Please note down. So all these dimensions I have to create a new file for design. Then I can use all these having So first of all I need to set top plane. Then I go for dimensions 80 by 40 rectangle, then extrude value is having 41. Go for center point rectangle, here is having 40, then 80, the extrude value is having 41, then enter, just click OK here. Then I can choose this face, sketch normal to. So the distance is having 60 mm, the thickness is will have 8 mm thickness through cut. Okay, I have to design here. So line command, midpoint, just select this center point to create our sketch. It will have a 30 mm distance by equally, so 60. Then you can use offset command. The offset thickness is 8 mm in reverse direction. Just click here, then create the line to close all these open profiles. Then I can give the dimensions for 60. So I need to create all these dimensions having fully defined sketch. That's why I am giving the dimensions for 60. Then exit sketch, I go for extrude cut. So here it's having through cut. Just click OK. It will create the through cut object. Then select this face. I have to create two profiles here. I have to show you the dimensions for 14 by 14. Then 22 height. The diameter is having 8 mm. Then see the hole profile. So is a through hole. Just go for our sketch, I mean SolidWorks. Then I have to use here the center point rectangle. Then I have to put it here 14 plus 14. The center point rectangle is having 28 here. So this is a 14 mm thickness. Okay, so fully defined sketch this is. So I have to go for circle 8 mm thickness, I mean 8 mm diameter. This point to this point it's having vertical constraint. Then I need to fix the height of the circle. So it will have a 22. Then go for exit sketch, extrude cut, and is a through cut. So directly you can give it here through cut. Just click OK. It will create the through cut option here. Then select this face, sketch normal to. Have to create this box. Then extrude cut is 8 mm. So 12 mm gap, in between gap. So here is having 8 mm gap. I have to create only one rectangle. Then I have to mirror the object. So 24 by 24. Enter. Then go for small dimensions. Then select these two edges. It will have 12 mm gap. Then I can use fully defined sketch. This point to this point it will have horizontal constraint. So this is a fully defined object. So I go for center line. Then I can use this center line. It will have a vertical constraint. Okay. So mirror about this axis. Just click OK right there. So and also I can constrain this point to this point. It will have 8 mm. Okay. So I go for exit sketch, then extrude cut. Then here is having 8 mm cut only. Just click OK. it will create the profile. Then select this face, normal to. I have to create here two holes. 18 diameter is a through hole. So I have to create hole profile here. This point to this point, it will have a center point here. This is a center point. Then 8 mm diameter. Then go for mirror command. It's easy way to create. And also I can constrain this object. This point to this point, it will have a 24. Then I can choose this point to this point, it will have a horizontal constraint. Okay, directly go for mirror, then select the object. It will automatically create the mirrored profile. Then the circle it's having through hole, directly go for through hole, just click OK. It will create the profile. Okay, this is the exact shape of our design by using SolidWorks 2016. If you have any doubts in SolidWorks, please ask me in comment section. Subscribe to Design Engineering. Thank you for watching.